right, at the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify if a number is divisible by another number. Okay, so you should on your paper write down in your notes 1.1 divisibility. 1.1 divisibility. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need to write things down. Okay, the ability to be evenly divided without a remainder. You do not have to write this definition down. This is just to let you know you cannot have remainders anymore when we're talking about divisibility. So some divisibility rules to see if numbers are divisible by other numbers. We're going to do some shortcuts here. Okay, we're just going to do a few. So write down the number 2. We know that 2 goes into other numbers if the other number is even. If the other number is even. So like the number 24, the ones place is either a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So then yes, this would be divisible. Okay, yes. 37 would be a no because 7 is not even. It's not 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 in that ones place. All right, the number 3. The sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Sum means addition. You're going to add. Okay, you're going to add. So, for example, the number 25. If you add these digits, 2 plus 5 equals 7. Well, 3 does not go into 7 evenly. 3, 6, 9. So that would be a no. Where 21, well, let's do a different one. 27, oops. No. 27, 2 plus 7 is 9. 3 goes into 9. So yes, 27 is divisible by 3. Okay. Number 5. The ones digit is a 0 or a 5. So the number 55, it ends in a 5. Yes, the number 70, it ends in a 0. The ones place is a 0 or 5. The number 6, if the 2 and 3 is divisible, if the number is divisible by 2 and 3, it's also going to be divisible by 6. Okay. 9, the sum of the digits again. Sum of the digits is divisible by 9. So the same as number 3, it's just if it's divisible by 9. Okay, so 36. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 9 is divisible by itself, so that would work. Tens, the one digit, so count by tens. 10, 20, 30, anything that the ones place is a 0, it's going to be divisible by 10. All right, so some examples. We're actually just going to list the ones that are divisible by 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, and 10. Sorry, I didn't mean to have those other numbers in there. Okay, so the first one is 36. So you just have to go through your list. Will 2 go into 36? Well, it's even. So yes. What about 3? So let's add it up. 3 plus 6 is 9. Will 3 go into 9 without a remainder? Yes. Okay, what about 5? Is the ones place a 0 or 5? Nope. What about a 6? Well, the 2 and the 3 were true, so that means the 6 is true. What about a 9? Will 9 go into 9? Yes. And some of you just may know all the multiples. You know that 9 times 4 is 36, so you know that's going to go into it. Okay, what about 10? No, because it doesn't end in a 0. All right, what about 45? It ends in a 5, so will 2 go into it? No. What about 3? Well, let's add it. 4 plus 5 is 9. 3 goes into 9, so yes. What about the number 5? Okay, yes, 5 will go into it. What about 6? No, because 2 doesn't go into it. Okay, what about 9? Will 9 go into 9? Yes. What about 10? No, the ones place is a 5. Okay, 110. Remember, you guys can always pause to write these down. You should be writing all of these down. Okay, right here. Does 2 go into it? No. I mean, yes, it's even. So yes. What about 3? Well, what's 1 plus 1 plus 0? It's 2. Does 3 go into 2 without a remainder? No. What about 5? Yes, it ends in a 0. What about 6? Well, 3 wasn't divisible by it, and it has to be 2 and 3, so no. What about 9? 9 does not go into 2 without a without a decimal, really. All right, so no. And then will 10? Yes, 10 will go into it because it ends in 0. So what about 70? Okay, 0 is even, so 2. 7 plus 0 is 7, so will 3 go into 7? No. Will 5? Yes, because it ends in a 0. What about 6? No, because it's missing the 3. What about 9? Will 9 go into 7? No. What about 10? Yes, because it ends in a 0. Okay, what about 88? Yes, it's even. Well, what's 8 plus 8? It's 16. Okay, will 3 go into 16? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. No, it will not. Okay, what about 5? Nope. What about 6? No, because 3 didn't go into it. What about 9? 9 doesn't go into 16 either. 9 times 2 is 18. Then what about 10? No, so it'd just be 2. What about 123? Is that even? No. The last number, the ones place is odd, so no. Well, what about 3? 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Yes, 3 goes into 6. What about 5? Nope. What about 6? Nope, because 2's in there. What about 9? Does 9 go into 6? Nope. And what about 10? No, so that was an easy one. It was just 3 out of this list. That doesn't mean other numbers won't go into it, but out of this list. Okay? That's it.